Hello and welcome to my Sunday Found. Today I have a haul and I wanted to get through this haul because one thing I know for sure is in here is what I promised all my friends on TikTok, and I wanted to show you guys the deal that I got with it and see what I have. Let's see. So this one, there's a box in here. Let's see. So here it is, the radio I promised to get. And look how cute it is. It's so little. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. It's just a speaker. And it has a USB right here to charge it. And here's the on and off. There's a TF in case I need earphones. And then here's the antenna. It's a little antenna, but you can always connect it to an antenna, I think. Here's another port. So I'm not sure what these ports are, but you know, it has a scan, and these are all the memories. There's about 9 memories, and it has a record, so I can record with it, like if I'm giving interview or what have you. And here, obviously, it has the directions, and it says multifunction audio player speaker. So here's a picture of it. Yeah, it says it has a voice recording button, play, pause, scan in memory, radio channels. And you can switch from TF, USB, or aux FM. So you can have a memory card in here and play the music on that card, or record on the card, I'm guessing. And let's see what's in this little one. Let's see. What's in here? Oh, this is the starter kit for the Vibrant that I use. It's called Advanced. It's called Vibrant by Airwick. And here's the this is like a little pamphlet, and it just tells you that it comes with 2 times the essential oils in them. And this is the starter kit, and it comes with 1 of these and 3 little refills. So you just see what I do. I just open this. I just open it like this. Let's see. Like that. And then you just put it in like this, and don't just keep it straight up. Keep it straight like this and snap it in place, and that will be good. And then you just turn it to however you want. I want it on all the way low, so I'll just keep it like that. And this I get the refill that I used, and then I just twist this on the top of it, and it keeps it kind of not spilling into the trash can. So here's another one. I guess I'll just open it here. However it comes out. Oh yeah. I bought, this was literally on sale under $10. This is, let's see, Dollar General, Kirkland's brand, minoxidil. I'm a little timid to try this because I heard it grows like hair profusely all over your body if it spills, but I do want to try it on my scalp. I don't find my hairs hard to grow. I just find that it's not like growing, how do you say it? Like I want it to grow, you know? I want it to grow. And I don't have a hair growth problem so much as I want my hair to grow. And that's exactly why I got this. So this is, like I said, $8.90 something cents. $8 is a good deal for me. Even Walmart brands are like 13 bucks. So this is pretty inexpensive. You can find like smaller, like travel size versions of like foam minoxidil on the cheap, but this is like you just put drops on your head, rub it all over the scalp, and you're good to go all day long. So you put it on clean scalp, wear it all day long, you wash it off, you're fine. The only thing I probably wouldn't do would probably be to allow it to drip all over you, because if it drips on something and you don't wash it off, it's gonna start the cycle of hair growth on the you know, the skin it comes in contact with. So, and then I have another box. Let's get this box open. And in here I have, let's see, I have a charger port. So in case like you don't have enough space on your plug, your outlet plugs, you can just use the one and then buy one of these, and it just opens up, you know, for more devices and stuff to have a charge. So this is what I bought. Oh no, this is actually, oh, this is a phone charger. That's not it. Let's see. What is this? Oh, here's my jump rings for my jewelry. They're too small. And let's see. I got these Julio's seasoning. 2-pack for $12. So that makes them like 6 something, right? And I figure I like Julio's seasoning, so you can use them on anything. And then I got whole mushrooms. This is for a recipe. I have baby corn. And then last but not least, I have like Where did I put that charger port? I have pickles. And the pickles were like $2. The baby corn's like $1. And the mushrooms are only like under $2. They're like $1 something. Then I bought this leave-in conditioner detangler. This is for human and hair wigs and weaves and hair pieces. This is for synthetic and human hair. So like no matter, you know, what you do, like if you need to condition and detangle um your styles, you know, before you style your hair, if you need that extra um you know, extra muscle, this is that, and I bought it for like $6. It's got jojoba oil, which is a wonderful smell. Let me see. Ooh, yes, honey. That smells really good. Then I got my splash drinks. I got my splash drinks. I love these. Love them, love them, love them. I don't know why people always like those. They're always like, ooh, what is that? Isn't that strange? I mean, like, if you look at anything else, like, you know what it is. Like, you know what I mean? And these just they just redid their label. This, I think I know what it is because I'm the one who ordered it. Oh, I didn't know what it was. Yikes. This is heavy. So I got a whole pack of water. I got some grapefruit juice, the diet one, because it's only 5 cal. Whoops. I got my full milk cream pie. I didn't know I ordered those. It's just out of habit. And then here is my USB port. Look at that. It's got 4 ports in one, and it's a compact size. It's metal, so it's pretty sturdy. And that's what I like about these products, that they're sturdy and they can handle, you know, like they can handle um, life, you know. We're just human, so I feel like the more sturdier that you buy things, the better off your device will be charged, or you know, you'll have like appreciate a quality product because you know what I mean? You're doing the right thing and you know you are. So you know, if you're sitting there half charging things because you got a flimsy charger that doesn't go all the way, or you got to wait till something else charges, you know what I mean? It's just smarter to, you know, to to sit there and decide what is my priorities, and you know what, according to what devices I have, do I need to purchase to accessorize this product. You know, like say for example this thing, you can buy antennas for it, you can buy charging ports for it, you can buy chargers for it. I mean, the list goes on. You know, you can buy memory cards for it, and things like that. So you know, you just gotta think ahead of the game. And last but not least, I bought McBeaties. These are bourbon flavored, and these were $6, I think. These are tasties. I bought them because I don't know. Sometimes I have cravings, and that just satisfied my craving at the time. But I don't know. For $6, I guess. Yeah, for $6. I mean, it's a steal because like I know in the stores they're pretty expensive. Um, so I wanted those, and I also had a craving for Tim Tams. I don't know why I keep craving Tim Tams, so I bought these instead. And Tim Tams are only like two more dollars than those, but I thought it was a good sale. I mean, they're just cookie, so I'm not up to buying like expensive things to satisfy my sweet tooth. I These are 2.90 something. These are like under $3, and you get 12 of them. So I mean, that'll last you for like 2 weeks. This will last me like 1 week. So I hope you like my haul, and thank you for watching. I just restocked and kind of just try new things. Um, and just you know try to keep up. You know, and that's the main thing. I love shopping online because I can keep up with what I need at home by just walking to the grocery and picking up a few things, and then whatever else I might want, I can get online and it comes right away. So everything's pretty much convenient. That's how I like my life. Just kind of prepare for the future, and just take things one day at a time, but also make sure you're ready for whatever you need, and kind of keep your household a priority as far as being able to hold it down by having the supplies and having all the things that you need. uh, every aspect of your life, take it into consideration, because your lifestyle is important here. And that's the way I do things, because I by myself, like um that's how I kind of like to do things, on my own, and kind of use my own brain. Not to say I don't ask. I do ask. I ask people, about coupons and deals. I ask about stores that offer discounts. I ask about, electronic stores, stores that specialize in certain foods, or, imports. And that's just how I am. And whether it's for me or somebody else, you know, my close circles or whatever. This is my world, and for the most part, YOLO. Um, so I hope you guys are prepared for the storm. I hope you guys are you know are ready for the storm, and bunkered down in case it's there already. And so my thoughts and prayers are with you guys, that we pulled through this one as well, because this one, they said it affects 12 states, and it's moving east. So it's moving from Texas on to the east coast, and passing through tonight here locally in Cincinnati, Ohio. So yeah. Ooh, I have to check out my boys. I think they played again today. So, with that said, thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Um, like, comment, share, and subscribe again. Thank you. My son, they're from